Hey everyone, it's Jonathan Schminks back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about my 3D printed hovercraft, which is right over there. So here it is. I designed this all on Fusion 360 myself and then printed it with PLA on my Ender 3. So the first part I designed was this motor mount here. Okay, so it's a pretty simple design. I just have 4 holes and an extra one for the little bit that pokes out the back. And that just mounts this motor that pushes it. So I have another one of the same thing right here with some holes in the plate so I can get better airflow. So that's the one that pushes out the skirt, and this one pushes it forward. So then I also have the rudder, which is pretty simple. It's just one flat piece with a cutout for the propeller. And then I have a little hole at the top for an axle and another one at the bottom that fits the servo horn. Then I just have some holes in the top of this plate for the battery cable and the motor cables to go down to the bottom where I have all the electronics minus the battery. So for the skirt, it's pretty basic. It's just a trash bag with some tape. I left some holes in the bottom of this plate here so that there could be some more airflow. So if you don't know how these hovercrafts work, they basically work like an air hockey puck, except the air is pushing out of it instead of the floor. So it keeps it just a thin layer of air underneath, and that allows it to sort of slide around like an air hockey puck. So that's pretty much all I have to say about the design. So now I guess I'll show you how it was built.
Here we go!
Okay, so now it's all done, let's test it out. I moved out all the tables and chairs and stuff from the kitchen so I have some room. So I'll put it down and turn it on. Okay, so I think it works pretty good. So now I guess it's time for the montage. Hey, we were gonna go take that out on the ice on my pond earlier, but it was kind of raining all day, so that's the end of this video. So if you want to watch another video, I have my 3D printed RC car up here and my 3D printed ice tires up here. So that's the end of this video. Like it if you liked it, subscribe for more, and see ya!